Hello guys. So today we will talk about the CRM software, how it works, its flow. I will demonstrate everything. So this is the login page. First we will enter the credentials. So it will take you to the home page if the credentials are correct. So this is the leads page. As we can see, there are multiple tabs here: leads, sales pipeline, setup and configuration, payment and invoices. We will see one by one how each one functions. So within leads section, you can see this is client inquiry list, and then there is qualified, and then there is non-qualified. So we will see how it works. Okay, so first I will give a demonstration of how the software is, and then we will do one example by ourselves. So on this entry, you can see whenever you will click add inquiry, a new pop-up opens up. You can enter inquiry and it will be registered here. So date, client name, phone number, email ID, address, source, client requirement, action, and edit. So suppose for example you want to edit this entry. You can go here, you can edit and save. It will be reflected here. And suppose you want to take some action on this lead. Then you click on action and a lead management pop-up opens up for you to qualify or disqualify lead. Since this is a basic all inquiry list, you need to qualify or disqualify the lead. And suppose I click in qualify. Then as you can see, lead has been qualified. So then we will go to our qualified section and all the qualified leads will show here automatically. And this is the non-qualified section. So within qualified and non-qualified section, you only get the option to delete. By mistake, if you qualify a lead which is supposed to get non-qualified, then you can delete it from here. And similarly, for non-qualified also, if you want to delete a lead from a non-qualified section, you can go and delete here. It will just ask you a warning. You want to delete this non-qualified lead. That's it. So below here you can see there is pagination feature. In a single page, it will show you only 10 entries and all the successive entries will come in the next page. So you need to click on the second page and here you can see all the second page entries are displayed here. So this is the search function. Suppose you want to search test, you can search by any criteria: client name, phone number, email ID, address, source, client requirement. You just need to type it and click on search. So as you can see, all the entries related to test has been displayed here. You have been showing 1 to 6 of 6 results. So if you clear this, it will take you back to the default all page entries. So this is about lead section, qualified and non-qualified. Then we will go to sales pipeline. So before going to sales pipeline, I will demonstrate the setup and configuration page. So in setup and configuration, you can set the number of stages. How many stages you want to set in sales pipeline, because once the leads are qualified, it will automatically go to the sales pipeline level. So within sales pipeline, all the leads by default come to the first stage. So in setup and configuration, in the initial stages of the software, you need to set all the stage names. This can be, for example, you want to follow up from your client, you want to send quotation to the client, you can negotiate with the client, and eventually when the deal is closed, you can add a stage of deal closed also. So whatever stages you feel like you need to add from here, and you need to save stage order. Then you need to come here in sales pipeline, and for every stage you can add comments. You can move the stage from stage 1 by simply dragging and dropping like this, and you can effortlessly move the leads across all the stages. So whichever stage you are currently, that lead is in currently, you can add the comments here also. So for demonstration purpose, suppose we click on this lead Saurabh, and here you can see the name Saurabh comes, his phone number comes here, his email ID comes here, inquiry date, what is the requirement, and whatever comment you want to add, you can add here and save. So that tomorrow, if you forget that at what stage the lead was and what has been communication has happened with the lead till date, you can simply come and click on the lead, and all the comments will be displayed here with their date and time. And when you move the leads from stage 1 to stage 2 of your business, you can click here save progress, so that tomorrow when you comes, you can see that at what stage the lead is there. It will not go back to the initial, or it will not go past. At whichever level you will save, it will be displayed at that level itself. And with the help of comments, you can always come back and see at what at what level of business you are. So here also we have a little bit pagination feature. So if you click on pagination 2, it will display here what all things are there, and you can go back to pagination 1 also. So once you move your leads through sales pipeline, and after completion of the stage, you can come here in payment and invoices, and you can generate invoice. So here you can see all the dummy invoices which has been generated. You can simply click on generate invoice, and the invoice page will open up. Here you can enter your name and your client when you want to send you an invoice. You can enter the date, payment terms, due date, the PO number. Then you can enter the item name, quantity, the rate at which you have fixed, and if there are more than one items you want to generate in your invoice, you can simply click on line item, and successive lines are coming down as you can see. You can cancel also if you want. You enter here quantity 10 and rate 100. As you can see, automatically it is changing. So whatever discount you give here in terms of percentage, it will apply. Tax discount, this is the discount value, and this is the tax which you are applying. And suppose the customer is an old customer and he has paid some, then you can deduct those things. You can enter the value here. So this is the final balance. You can click on save invoice, and your invoice will be saved automatically. And then you have the option to download PDF. Whenever you generate an invoice, it will show all your invoices here. You can search by the invoice number, date, client name, and then if you want, you can download the invoice also by clicking here download PDF. So once you click on download PDF, it will automatically download to your local desktop machine. Then we come to the dashboard section, and here all the leads will be displayed in a graphical manner. So here you can filter it out by last day, last week, and last month. Since there has been no entry in the last week, here it is not showing anything. So if you click on last month, you can see the funnel chart, the total inquiries section, sales pipeline stage, revenue and invoices. So as you can see in the funnel, inquiry has been 2, qualified 1, converted 0. So this is the funnel chart, your sales funnel, to display how much you are in the business. And this is the total inquiries list to show you how much inquiry has come. This displays from time period. So sales pipeline by stage, you can see here that at which stage last month activity has happened. And revenue and invoices section, total revenue, total invoices generated within last month. So this is an insights dashboard of how well your software is running and how well you are using it in your business. So this is all about it. In the future, we will be adding and uh, automation feature also. Mail and WhatsApp automation can happen from this software. It will be a great feature. So on top of it, you can see a logout button. If you click on this logout, so the app gets log out. So that's all in the CRM software. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.